Hey, welcome back. Today I'm doing a transmission change on my 1998 Electra Glide Classic. I usually do it every summer, once a summer, but I didn't do it last year. I don't know why, I just forgot. I remembered over the winter. So it's the beginning of the season. Even though I've been riding for a few weeks now, I'm gonna go ahead and get it done. So to do it, all you need is about 20 to 24 ounces transmission fluid. I use Severe Gear AMS oil, 3/4 inch socket, and a 3/8. All right, let's get started. First, I'm gonna loosen my filler plug here. Well, it's not too bad. I guess a little low, but no, I guess it's on the full mark, so I'm not leaking or anything. That's good. All right, now I get a drain pan, which I got one ready right here. I'll show you where this plug is at. If you've ever done an oil change, you'll know your oil drain plug is right here. But way underneath here, right here, there's a bolt going up in there, drain plug. See it right there? I'm gonna go ahead and remove that, clean it all up and inspect it. Make sure I don't need a new little rubber gasket on there, and drain all the fluid out. Almost ready to come out. Let's see what this looks like. Now on the back side of this drain plug here, there's a magnet, just like on your oil drain plug. You want to clean that off really good and replace this little rubber gasket, little O-ring right here. So while this is draining, I'm going to go ahead and clean this all up. All right, there we go. We got that all drained out. I got this all cleaned up. I recommend you always replacing the O-ring, but I don't have another one right now, and there's actually nothing wrong with this one. It doesn't seem bad at all. It doesn't have any cracks in it, so I'm gonna roll with it. All right, now that I have that all drained out, it's still dripping just a little bit, but I also should have mentioned earlier, you want your bike to be sitting straight up, not on the jiffy stand. So I got a few blocks of wood under there, or you can use a bike jack, anything to just keep it level. You definitely want it level when you fill it up, so you might as well just level it out when you drain it out too, to make sure you get it all. All right, I feel that's drained out pretty good. Just go ahead and put the drain plug back in. There we go. All right, now that that's all drained out, I can go ahead and refill it up. Like I said before, I'm using some AMS oil, Severe Gear, 75 weight 90. I only have a little bit left in this one, so I'm going to use it. and then top it off with the brand new one. So you want to use a clean funnel here. Let's see what I got here first. I've got less than 1 ounce in here. So far I put in 12 ounces, along with that ounce from before, it was 13. I'm going to start out with 20 ounces, and then check it and see where I'm at. Alright, there we go. That's 20 ounces I put in there. Alright, you also want to clean off your dipstick really good and make sure to replace that O-ring if you need to. Mine still looks good. So you see you have an A and an F. You want it to be obviously on the F for full. And when you check it, you just want to lightly rest it on here. You don't want to screw it all the way in. So with it lightly rested, see, I'm at the full mark, I think. You know what, I'm gonna read my book again, because like I said, it's been a year and a half or so since I've done this. I can't remember if I have to screw this all the way in. I thought you just lightly rest it on there and check it, but that doesn't really make sense. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I was right. It says just resting on the threads. So resting on the threads like that. And it looks like I still need just a little bit more. I definitely don't want to go over 24 ounces. Alright, we're going to check it right there. Just put the dipstick in with it just resting on the threads.
Break the bike.
Alright, where was I? And my friend Becky stopped by. She's walking her dog by and we had to say hi, so. Alright, so like I was saying, you just rest the drain plug on there like that and then check it. I don't know if you can see that because it's pretty clean, but I'm right at the full mark, so I'm good. Good to go. Alright, so now I'm going to put that back in. Go ahead and get that right there. And that's it. It's a transmission change in a 1998 Electra Classic. Now I'm gonna take it for a little spin and check it again just to make sure there's no leaks, and I'm good to go. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps it grow. Trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. If you can help me out, I really appreciate it. All right, so I just took it for a test ride. She's running good, but you hear that ticking? It sounds really bad, I know. So I checked it out down the road, and it seems to be my front brake. So I'm gonna have to get in there, probably take it apart, find out what's loose. Maybe a bad bushing. But I definitely need to get that fixed. I don't like that at all, so. All right, well, stay tuned. Looks like another video is coming soon.